Looks like we're experiencing our first several flurries off of this mid-upper level disturbance that's moving through the region, pivoting through the Ohio Valley throughout this late morning into the afternoon and evening. Should bring gusty winds, and there should be localized, more intense snow showers with any convection or snow squalls that we see. Right now, pretty mundane. Just experienced this kind of weak snow shower here. Got some more intense looking activity right behind it, which should be perfect to conflict with my morning commute here. There it goes. Round 2 is somewhere off in here. Looks like low top snow showers. This is facing west, and here in a second we'll be looking east at the approaching line of more intense snowvection. And here it is. Expecting to experience this here in, well, minutes to seconds. Visibility's been reduced significantly already, just in a short span there. Momentum transfer bringing 30-40 knot winds down to the surface, somewhere in that ballpark probably. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Yeah, visibility's probably somewhere between a quarter and a half mile right now. Starting to see some accumulation as well on the road surface. Oh, it's really whipping now. accumulation than I expected. Though with these significant snow rates here, you can't really be that surprised. We went from mild December to winter wonderland in a matter of 15 minutes there. Our first snowfall this year was on Halloween, actually, but this feels like the first real snowfall. Expecting intermittent snow showers throughout the remainder of the day and evening. And as the sun goes down, should start to stick a little more, so could see some more significant accumulation. Next round on the way. Bit of an anvil with this one. Nice line here. We've got a mid-upper level Vortmax pivoting into the region that's producing some forcing for, so we have ascent, and that's given us these convective snow showers.
Is that cumulus cloud that's causing all that shit?
Yeah, that's the one.
That's very fast.
3 o'clock on the dot. You can see that receding line of snow showers off to the east and northeast. Remnants of the snow that accumulated from that. A lot of it is melted. This happens to be out of the sun right here, but the rest of it is mostly gone. 4:30 now. Got some additional snow showers moving through the area. Nothing like what we had before.